This is episode 1628. Welcome to the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I hope you are doing well today as you get ready to settle yourself in and meditate. You can find our full guided half-hour meditations on the Sipino Meditation app over at the Apple Store or Google Play. We have Android and iOS versions waiting for you to try. 2 weeks, absolutely free access to the full app, which includes a weekly journal you can download and keep. This journal is customized for the week's theme to go right along with it, with a daily reflection question. You also get a slowdown guide with all the different meditation techniques organized for your easy reference. Again, it's the Sipino Meditation app. So for you getting ready to do a meditation technique today, we continue with our theme of recipe for gratitude. This is where you will learn tools for your life to help you live with gratitude day in and day out. So it's not something you do every once in a while. It's something that's a part of you. It's one of the most powerful emotions. So this is going to be a week for you to incorporate gratitude as a ritual in your life. In today's episode, you're going to be guided using an affirmation for gratitude. And this gratitude will remind you that regardless of what is going on in your life right now, or what has happened to you in the past, your life is perfect exactly as it is. Nothing more, nothing less, because all of your life experiences teach you lessons. They make you who you are. And when you can let go of regrets or remorse, as you explored in yesterday's meditation technique, then you can feel yourself relax and open up and become expansive to allow these more expansive emotions, such as gratitude, come into your life. So when you think about your life, how you're doing now, how you feel about yourself and your life in general, feel yourself relax and open up to what is, not to what you wish, not to what you hope will come in the future, but rather open yourself up to what is in this moment. Here you are now. Gratitude is always within your reach when you open yourself up to it. So settle yourself down and begin to relax your mind and your body. Your eyes are lifted to keep your thoughts uplifted. Inhale and exhale gently through your nose. Now, mentally repeat to yourself, I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. You can repeat this out loud if you want, engaging the power of your voice. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. Repeat the affirmation mentally. Whisper it. Allow yourself to experience the affirmation in many different ways. Repeat it when you wake up in the morning and when you go to bed at night. You are so worth slowing down